let us import math module. So it contains precision functions. So I am going to store a floating point number inside the variable a. So let us print math of, let's take trunc function of a. So what the trunc will do, it will eliminate all the decimals and return the integer from the floating point number. So let's use another function named ceil dot ceil. So when you will see the output, so the output contains the smallest integer greater than the number. So let's print and use math dot, let's take here flow of a. So this flow will return the greatest integer smaller than the number itself. So we can use other also, like percentage sign and so on. So let me make the number like this, and now we will be printing till, let's say 2 decimal point. So we'll be using percentage 2f. So this will give, let's make it as percentage a. So this will give till 2 decimal point, that is 3.67. So let's use format. Okay, here we will be using format. So let me make like this, 0 to 0.3 f. Okay, and we will use dot format a. So this will format till, so here there is an error, we have missed a bracket. So now let us see, sorry, it will be here. So you can see here it is printed till 3 floating point number using format. So now let's make it as like this, we'll use round, and then let's make a comma 4. So this will give till floating point 4 points. Okay, so round takes 2 arguments, the number itself and the number till which it wants decimal part rounded.